Hey, it's Jack here. We're back in Buena Park, California. We're spending the night here at the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel. It's been fully renovated. We're going to go inside, check out the amenities, see what's changed since we were last here, give you that room tour. Let's go inside and check it out. Coming into the hotel, we can see a fully renovated lobby. Behind the front desk, they've done a fantastic job of theming the boysenberry farm with the Knott's Hotel. In this cabinet here, they have artifacts from various places in Southern California, as well as mostly here at Knott's Berry Farm. And as we scroll down to this cabinet, we can see a picture here of Walter Knott himself. This gives us a better view of the lobby. We can also see the bar there in the corner. And the upper level area will go up there in just a few minutes. Walking over here, we can see the newly renovated restaurant called 30 Acres, as well as they do have a Starbucks on location. And at that Starbucks, the pastries they serve are made here fresh in the kitchen. Looking over this way, we can see a big picture there of Walter and Cordelia Knott. That's the big picture there on the left. And they've got other pictures here of the berry farm. We'll go get a closer look at those. We can see that renovated staircase going up to upper level. And as mentioned before, we'll look up there momentarily. And starting here on the top left, we can see the original berry stand right there. And there's Walter Knott in the berries right there, the berry farm itself. There's another picture of Walter and Cordelia Knott. Looks like they're probably on the front porch maybe. Over here is the original berry market, and that building's no longer present. There's a picture of those beautiful boysenberries, all done in black and white. And we've moved to the upper level now to give you that bird's eye view of the hotel lobby. We can see it's warm and inviting with that chandelier in the center and all the seating. You can see the bar in the corner there. And then we've got the banquet rooms directly in front of us. We used to have the rooms named after various founders here in Orange County, California. However, it looks like they've done away with that, and they've just gone with the generic ballroom A, ballroom B, and over here on the end, of course, will be ballroom C. Well, this is the shop for the hotel called the Berry Place. We'll go on inside of here and we'll check it out. All right, we come in the store, and off to the left, they have all their berry market items. They got the boysenberry syrup there. You got your buttermilk pancake mix, and below that your boysenberries. Over here they got their boysenberry jam. Got your boysenberry tea right there. And right below that you have your boysenberry lemon jam cake mix. Down below there's a pillow and a towel for the berry market. One of my favorite things they have is the boysenberry punch. If you come out here to Knott's Berry Farm, if you're at the hotel, they got it right here for you. You can just pick it up, take it back to your room. And if boysenberry is not your thing, they do have the regular drinks here. They got the monster drink there on the right, Coca-Cola, Sprite, Dasani water, as well as Powerade. Across the back here, they have Knott's Berry Farm sweatshirts. Over here, they got a Knott's Berry Farm bag, coffee cup right there. Got the Knott's Berry Farm Ghost Town hat. And over here we got the stuffed plush Peanuts characters. You got Charlie Brown Woodstock right there. Straight ahead we got more Charlie Brown Woodstock, and we do have Lulu Bell straight in front of us here. Over here they've got Charlie Brown mug, I believe. Yep, that's a coffee mug right there. They've got the Woodstock ears. Got these neat purple looking t-shirts. What they said when they sell these out, they're discontinuing this model. So it says Dream Big, and it's got Woodstock there sleeping in a nest. Over here they got these nighttime looking tie-dye peanut shirts here. You got Charlie Brown, Snoopy, and Lucy with the theme park in the background. Below that they've got their knockoff Lego sets. Up here at the front counter they got your Knott's Hotel bottle opener. They have a collectible pen. They have a keychain right there, and they also have a magnet. In their center section here they have the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel Boysenberry Vanilla. This is the same flavor of soap that's in the room. So if you like the flavor of the soap that's in the room, come down here, pick it up for yourself, take it home, and it's like you're at the Knott's Hotel while you're at home, at least with the scent of the soap. They also have the bath bombs here for the boysenberry vanilla. If you get some snacks, they got those here in the center section. Got the sour gummies there, Reese's Pieces up there, as well as some chips over here on this side. If you need some pharmaceuticals, or if you're washing your clothes first, you need that soap, they got it there on top, and they got the pharmaceuticals down below that. Over here on this wall, they have the hotel apparel. They do have those travel mugs there. They got some drink cups as well as some shot glasses. They got the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel hoodie sweatshirt. They got the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel t-shirt here. Over here on this side, this is branded as Under Armour Knott's Hotel shirt. They've got this long sweatshirt looking thing here. This is what it looks like. You got a picture of what it looks like when you wear it. It's meant to be long just like that. Be great for the pool probably. Just above that, there's another collared Knott's Hotel shirt. And they have the Knott's Hotel baseball caps right there. Now through the gate here, this is the pool area. We'll go on inside and check this out. This is the pool area. This is fully renovated, although I don't see much change from when I was out here before a couple years ago. Other than the fences is a different color. They've still got the interactive splash zone over here, where you can stand there and get soaked if you want to. And right here, you come up here and you push the target in the middle, which will activate the splash zone. And you look here, you hear the generator kicking off, and there it goes. Now what you do is you turn the different handles to make stuff go, but here they've got it open to where it's working. And the sign on the wall reminds us it's recirculated water and not to drink it. So yeah, it goes right back down that drain right there. And then there's a pump behind over here that recirculates that water through the splash zone. Well, out over here opposite the pool is what used to be the basketball tennis court. Now it's just a big open area with these behind these locked gates here. Don't know what it's used for. They do have these boxes in the middle. And one thing nice they do have here is a guest laundry. Scan your room key, go in. They have 4 washing machines and 4 dryers. Opposite those washing machines and dryers, they do have vending machines. Got the snack machine here with chips and so forth. Right next to that, they have a Coca-Cola pop machine, that Coca-Cola Diet Coke, Sprite, Dasani water, and a Powerade down below. And here's a decent reminder that the laundry soap and softener is available at the hotel gift shop. They're just down the hallway from the laundry is the fitness center. Must be 18 years or older to go in the fitness center. And they're open from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. They have a nice fitness center here. There are people working out on the other side, so I'm going to keep on this side where nobody's working out, give you an idea of what that fitness center looks like. And here's a room for the night, room 432. We come into the room, and off to the left is the bathroom. Got this nice light up sink here. It's also touch panels where we can turn those lights on and off. Turn those lights up and down as well. Pretty neat. They also have their own flavor of soap here. It's a Knott's Berry Farm soap. They have makeup remover. There's a lotion there. Down below the sink, we have some facial tissue. Opposite the sink and mirror, have the closet, have a hair blower right there on top. On this other side, on the left side, we have the iron and ironing board. Down below that, we do have the luggage rack. Back over here on the opposite wall, we found our safe spot. And coming out of there, look straight ahead, we do have the toilet. Above the toilet, we have plenty of towels for the stay. And over here is a tub and shower. They've got their flavor soap. Here on the wall, we got their Knott's Hotel shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Yep, there's soap in the shampoo. There's conditioner in there. And we have body wash in the body wash. So those are all full, ready to go for the morning when we take a shower. Wanted to point out that artwork opposite the shower and just above the toilet is this tractor painting. As we come out of the bathroom, we're in the main living area. Over here on the right side, they have the wall mirror. Kind of get a sneak preview of the bed there. Got a, looks like a 55-inch TV. Right below the TV, they have the media plug-ins. USB-C, regular USB, 2 power outlets there. Below that, they have a coffee bar of sorts. They have the Keurig coffee maker, and right next to that, they've got some cups. And there are 2 K-cups of coffee right there. Over here is a mini refrigerator. We'll see if it's stock our own stuff. And it is not a stock refrigerator. We can put our own stuff in there. Next to the TV and the coffee bar, this is a pull-out couch right here. It pulls out and this makes into a single bed, or that could be a double bed. But anyways, this does roll out into a bed. Wanted to point out that right next to the TV are these Knott's Berry Farm plates. They got the Knott's Berry plate right there. You've got the Knott's Berry Farm chicken dinner restaurant representation right here with the full chicken with the boysenberry pie and corn on the cob. And above that, we have a plate with boysenberries on there. Opposite the TV is the king-size bed. You have a phone, remote control for the TV. There is a clock in the room. On the other side, there's a nightstand. Next to that, there's a chair with this TV tray looking thing. This is your working desk actually for your laptop computer if you brought it along with you. And over here, we'll see what our view looks like for the night. So we pull the curtains back. Now below us is what used to be the basketball/tennis courts. Is just now a big vacant area with these boxes every so often there. Looking straight ahead, there's the Knott's Berry Farm parking lot. And we can see the sun is behind the June gloom haze here in Southern California. Also wanted to point out the art on the wall over here. We have a horse, got this design up there. Got this other one, looks like a farm with a road going down the middle of it. Boysenberries here on the right side, and there's a farmhouse on the bottom. So what was like staying here at their renovated Knott's Berry Farm Hotel? I have to say they've really done it up right with all the renovations, the upgrade. It was much needed, and it is such a comfortable hotel. It's always been a comfortable hotel to stay, but now with all the renovations done, it's just over the top. It fits with the theming of the theme park. The room is very comfortable, slept no problem, very quiet. Not like a Vegas room where people are running up down the hallway all night, although that probably does happen. It did not happen for me here on this visit. Really enjoyable stay. They say they renovated the pool. I didn't see any differences in the pool or the splash zone. Only thing I saw different was that they had painted the fence that goes around the outside of the pool, and that was it.
It wasn't until checkout that I was told that the pool will be fully renovated between August and September 2024.
The weight room, it looks the same as it did before, but they did upgrade some of the equipment, and the laundry room looks identical to when I checked it out before a couple years ago. I like the fact the gift shop sells the soap that's in the room, so if you like that soap and you wanted to take it home with you, you could. Not a lot of hotels do that. I thought that was a nice added touch here. The question remains, would I stay here again? That answer is yes. I already have my reservations booked for the haunt season, so I'll be out here for Knott's Scary Farm when they open up in September. Now we're going to check out 30 Acres Kitchen for breakfast. Well, here's the breakfast menu for 30 Acres Kitchen. There's our breakfast choices here. Don't know what I'm gonna get, but when I do, I'll show it to you. Now, they've got the bar where you don't have to physically come inside the restaurant. It's on both sides. You can come in the restaurant if you want to, but then on the other side, they do have it in the lobby where you can get something to drink there. And if you're here for breakfast, they do have a breakfast buffet. I opted not to go for the buffet this morning because it's a little too pricey for what I want to get. Well, breakfast has arrived. Got the 30 Acre breakfast. It comes with bacon sausage, hash browns, and I got scrambled eggs. Also went with some coffee, some wheat toast. Pretty cool how they bring out the butter and the boysenberry jelly right there.
Well, bacon looks really good. This way I like it, crispy. Just like at the old restaurant Amber Waves, the bacon here is just as good. Now, if they rebranded it, bacon is just as good as it was before. Sausage here has always been good as well. We'll try this out. It's good to say that sausage has not changed either. Both bacon and sausage, the same as it was when it was Amber Waves. We do have farm fresh eggs here. Give these a taste, see what they're like. Yes, and those are fresh eggs, no doubt about it. I do like the mound of hash browns they give here, and it's like perfectly cooked. It's all crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. One thing they don't do, they don't put any seasoning on the potatoes, so if you come out, you'll need to put your own salt and pepper, Tabasco on, whatever it is that you want to put on the potatoes to give them a little extra taste. But they're not bad. Like I said, they're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. And lastly, we're going to try the toast out with the fresh boysenberry jam on there. The flavor of that jam is phenomenal, as always, here at Knott's Berry Farm. Come out to Knott's Berry Farm, you've got to try out the boysenberry jam if nothing else. If you're staying here at the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel, you're in the vicinity of the hotel, I have to recommend 30 Acres Restaurant here for breakfast at least. Very good breakfast, service is phenomenal. Got people refilling the coffee cups, drink cups, and everything else. Amazing service. Newly renovated restaurant, great theming, great food. Come on out here, check it out for yourself. Hope you enjoyed this walk around tour of the renovated Knott's Berry Farm Hotel here in Buena Park, California. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.